Do you find yourself managing travel and events, spending countless hours crafting itineraries, and juggling various communication channels just to share documents and updates? And amid all this, are you struggling to keep guests informed, engaged, and truly immersed in the luxury of your hospitality? If so, let me introduce you to CarbonPaper, an intelligent itinerary platform that effortlessly streamlines planning, offers real-time updates, manages RSVPs, facilitates document sharing, and encourages guest networking. In this demo, let's take a journey through the planning of an event. To begin, head over to the Events button. Give it a click, and you'll be prompted to create a new event. Fill out the necessary details, set the time, choose the privacy settings, select a cover image, decide on the RSVP type, and with a simple click, create the event. For example, I've created a travel trip to Japan. Now, on the left pane, you can see the number of days the itinerary spans, with each day having its own detailed plan. You can click on any day to view its breakdown, ensuring guests feel engaged and informed. One of the great features is the ease of making changes. For example, let's change the breakfast time from 8 a.m. to 7 a.m., and just like that, it's updated. Guests can access the app to view the event details, and all this information is dynamically updated. When guests log into the app and access the event, all the information is immediately reflected in the app. They can browse through any day's details, and any changes you make are instantly visible to them. Any modifications to activities are instantly communicated to the guests via the mobile app. Once your event is set, inviting attendees is just a click away. Navigate to the Attendees section, click the Invite button, enter the email addresses, and send out your invitations. You can track the status of your invites, viewing both those who have not yet joined and those who have RSVP'd. If needed, you can select and remove an attendee from the list. If you need to share documents like tickets with your guests, head over to the Documents section. Simply select the user you wish to share with, drag and drop the documents, and they will be accessible to the guests in their account. Guests will find all shared documents conveniently under their Documents section in the app. Additionally, there's a social space for guests to share content, making it an engaging experience. You can add content to boost your social and marketing presence, thereby enhancing the overall luxury experience for the guests. Once your event concludes, collecting feedback is a breeze. Navigate to the feedback section, create a feedback form, publish it when you're ready, and collect scores. Guests using the mobile app will receive a pop-up to provide their ratings, and you can review the results here. This is the core functionality of the CarbonPaper app, designed to help you manage your event efficiently. For more information or to schedule a demo, check out the link in the description.